So after the introduction of the playing cards, let's just talk about some of the problems on the cards. So let's just see the question number 1 or the example number 1, which says one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, the jack of the hearts and a spade. So let's just find out the answers for each. First of all, let us suppose if I'm starting with assuming these all as nothing but the events. So let us suppose if I am talking about the events as, so let the events be E. Let us suppose if I am taking E as a king of red color, I'm taking F as nothing but a face card, and let us suppose if I'll take a E1, as a face card, so we already have assumed the face card. So let us suppose if I'm taking the next one as the jack of the hearts. So it is nothing but a jack. It is nothing but a jack of hearts. It is nothing but a jack of hearts. And if I'll consider it as E1 as well, I'm taking it as E2 because it will be easy for us then. And let us suppose if I'll take it as E3 and it is nothing but a spade. So I have taken E as the king of the red color, E1 as a face card, the third is as a jack of hearts, and E3 as nothing but a spade. So let's just find out the probabilities for each. So first of all, we know that the total number of the outcomes, the total number of the outcomes which are related with the deck of 52 cards is nothing but is equal to 52, because the total number of possible outcomes in a deck of cards is nothing but definitely 52. Now let us suppose if I am finding out the probability of E first. So the first part would be like the probability of getting the E is nothing but is equal to number of the outcomes that are favorable to E. So the number of the outcomes favorable to E, because that is our formula, number of outcomes favorable to E divided by the total number of outcomes, So let's just plug in all the values over here. So first of all, we know that in a deck of 52 cards, how many king of red colors are there? We know that there are two suits which are of red color, which is nothing but heart and a diamond. So in a heart and in a diamond as well, we have two kings of red color. So it means that a number of outcomes that are favorable to E is nothing but 2, divided by the total number of outcomes is nothing but 52. So let's just sort it out. It is 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 6 is 12. So this is nothing but 1 by 26. Why so? Because we know that a king of red color, so there is one king of red color in diamond and one king of red color in hearts. Because we know that both of these suits are actually red in color. So we have one king in diamond, one king in heart. So in total, we have two kings of red color. So the answer for the very first part is nothing but 1 by 26. Now let's just talk about the second one. In the second one, we just have to find out the probability of getting E1. E1 means a face card, So we know that how many face cards are there. So in total, if I'm talking about the face card, so a king, a queen and a jack, these are nothing but called as the face cards, and we know that in each and every suit we have 3 face cards, and in total we have 4 suits. It means we have a total of 12 face cards. We already know about this because we have done it in the introduction of the playing cards. So we know that there are total 12 face cards. So probability of E1 is nothing but the number of the outcomes that are favorable to E1, which is nothing but 12 divided by 52. So let's just sort it out. It would be nothing but 2 into 6 is 12, 2 into 2 and 6, and for the 2 into 3 is 6, 2, 1 and 3. So this would be nothing but 3 by 13. So this is nothing but 3 by 13. So the answer for the second part is nothing but 3 by 13. Now let's just talk about the third part. In the third part, card, we have a jack of hearts. We have a jack of hearts and we just have to find out the probability of E2. So it says a jack of hearts, and we know that in heart we have only one jack. It means that the number of the outcomes that are favorable to E2 is only 1, because in the hearts we have only one jack of hearts. So this would be nothing but 1 divided by the total number of outcomes, which is nothing but 52. So the answer for the third part is 1 by 52. Now let's just talk about the fourth one. It says probability of getting E3. E3 means a spade. A spade. We know that in a spade suit we have 13 cards. We have 13 cards. It means that if we are talking about the favorable number of outcomes for a spade, then it would be 13, because out of the 13 card it can be any card. So hence the probability of E3 is nothing but 13 by 52. This would be nothing but 13 by 52, and hence this would be nothing but 4. This is 1 and this is 4, so this would be 1 by 4, and hence the answer for the fourth part is nothing but 1 by 4. So this is how you can solve the problems that are totally based on the cards. I hope all the steps related to this particular question is all clear to you.